Today we're off Marbach Road. We're going to look at this property located at 10319 Roadrunner Ridge. Built in 2012. This is the Westward Pointe subdivision. This is right off Marbach Road. It's right in between 410 and 1604. It's right off of Marbach Road. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, approximate square footage, 1,642. Nice long entry here as you come in. Take a walk down here and spin around, show you the entryway. Air filter here on the right. 2 bedrooms up front, as you can see, also ceramic tile throughout the living area and hallway. You're going to have carpet in your bedrooms. These 2 front bedrooms, approximate sizes, 10 by 10. Let's go ahead and look at this other bedroom and then we'll look at the bathroom. The bathroom's right in between these 2 rooms. The bathroom's a nice size as well. Try not to get myself in the mirror there. Nice big bathroom. You don't usually see second bathrooms with this good a size, but it is a good sized bathroom. Down at the end of the hall, we're going to have living space, your family room, living area, and kitchen. Open floor plan, as you can see. Get a better view of the living area here. Into the kitchen. Plenty of countertop space, plenty of cabinets as well. Get a better view over here. Also, we're going to go right in here to the laundry area. And there's plenty of pantry shelf space as well. In through this door you have the garage. It does have a water softener and it does have a garage door opener. Dining area right here off of the kitchen. And back here in the back you're going to have the master bedroom and your master bath. This bedroom, approximate size 17 by 12. Approximate size of this house is 1,642 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Has a nice big walk-in closet here off the master bedroom. Into the master bath. Nice double vanity. Gonna have a garden tub here as well, along with your shower. Plenty of shelf space here as well in the bathroom, and it's ceramic tile. Let's take a trip out into the backyard. This is in the Southwest ISD. So this property is managed by Liberty Management. You can always visit them at 7217 Bandera Road. Their phone number is 210-681-8080. You can also call Realtor Mark Fee. He always has a lot of information. His phone number is 210-618-9161. This property is located at 10319 Roadrunner Ridge in Westward Pointe subdivision. That's right off of Marbach, right between Freeway 410 and 1604. So give them a call if you have any or you want some information, or you want to come view the property, okay? Thank you for watching.